So facilitating the best internal and external environment before you progress with your hands-on or your exercise-based treatment is a hugely important part of the process when aiming to reduce pain and increase performance. Because a lot of us have the perception that success is based on how effective our techniques are that we deliver during a treatment process. But we forget that we're working with a unique individual with a unique nervous system that has a unique story that's led them to this experience. And so we need to ensure that they're in an ideal state so that they can respond well to our treatment. And this involves listening to the clients. It involves understanding their past experiences, their past stressors in terms of injuries, past providers, their exercise history, and so on. But we need to help them understand that pain is not just a reflection of what's going on in a particular body part, but a reflection of their overall health. And what IKN offers here is a very practical way to show your clients how altering the stimulus or the information that comes in can massively impact the response at this point of the treatment process, the very beginning. Because pain, weakness, increased tension, and so on is a response to something both in our internal environment and our external environment. And by altering the information coming in, we can alter the response or the output. And we always say that an individual doesn't come to see you because of the pain in their body, but they come and see you because of the way the pain makes them feel. And because everything we do as humans is based on a feeling. And by showing the individual and doing things that make the individual feel the changes and come to their own conclusion about what's going on, then this can really help build that therapeutic alliance that we know is so important to have during the treatment process. And through education and through practically showing them how a response to information can change in the blink of an eye, can really help them feel empowered to know that if we work together as a team and continue to deliver quality information to the body, and not just looking at the local area, but considering and respecting multiple systems, we can help facilitate much greater change and a much more positive response, and hopefully achieve greater success with treatment. And this process is so often overlooked as therapists, because we're so keen to jump in with a technique that we feel is going to take away their pain. But through this process, we can ultimately show a client how it's not only about the technique of the drill, but the environment that we create in the clinic, in the gym, at home or in work. All these environments affect their response to input. Because when you engage with neurology, it's all about understanding that three-step process. The information in, what comes in through our senses, the processing layer, what kind of meaning we attach to that information, and the output, the strength that's granted, the pain perhaps, the changes in tone, the weakness perhaps. The output is a reflection of not just the quality of the information that comes in, but the meaning that we attach to it. And that's completely different for each person. So thanks so much for listening, and be sure to check out the next few videos that give you a deeper insight into our approach. Thanks again.